Okay, let me try this again. Today is all hands on deck day. We are cleaning up the yard and the shed out there, and Sammy's running around. I got him off the leash, so he's just having a good old time exploring everything. Be careful, Sammy, don't fall. Sounds like my kid, huh? Yeah. Come on, get off the steps before you hurt yourself. Okay, anyway, what I'm doing today is I'm cleaning the grill. I am getting the grill ready to, we're gonna have hamburgers tonight on the grill. Yum. And I'm gonna make my macaroni salad. Gonna have a good time. Gonna have a good time. I think this might be the first time the grill has been cleaned since probably September. I hope that's not too loud. Hope it's not too loud. Okay. Yeah, I went on a nature hunt in their yard today, and I found a bunch of medicinal flowers that I can put in a jar and start the remedy thing. That's awesome. I tried to get this. They have this app that you can take a picture of the herb, you want, and it's supposed to tell you what it is and what it's good for. But they want to charge $3.99 a month. And I said, baloney, I'm not doing that. So I got on TikTok, and they're pretty good. So I found out all kind of cool things I can make, and stuff I hate paying, the big box store price, like allergy medicine, heartburn, just all kinds of stuff. I'm so excited about it. Just, I haven't been able to do this for a long time, and I'm loving getting back into it. So noisy. What was I saying? Anyway, we're going to have a good day. We had a good day yesterday, and we're going to have a great day today. It's going to be just as soon as everybody's done with their chores, we're going to be eating and having a good time. Sorry. I thought I was getting sick this morning, but I'm not. I'm okay. I'm okay. I saw the yellow dust of death yesterday, and I woke up with a kind of I was coughing, and I thought, oh no, here it comes, the bronchitis. But so far I'm fine. I'm going to go take a couple elderberry gummy bears, and that's good for your immune system. And I plan on buying some elderberry plants and making my own. There's just so much excitement going on. Woo! Oh man. I think my brother's excited that we're coming, and we'll have more relatives in one spot. That's nice. That's nice. The, I think that's good. Oh, dirty hands. Okay, I'm going to take a break for a minute. My back hurts. Yeah, I was helping my son babysit the other day, and I lifted up this baby, and she's got away. Oh, my God. Sammy! Okay, there you are. Never mind. She's got away, I don't know, 30, 40 pounds, okay? And I lifted her up, and it hurt my back. Oops. But, so I'm laying low for a couple days, not doing too much. That's gonna hurt my back. But, blah, blah, blah. Complain. Bleh. Get over it, Buttercup. No, suck it up, Buttercup. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I found a awesome stick out in the yard. Looks like someone was trying to make a spear out of it. I wonder who that was. Anyway, I got a couple minutes, and then I'm going back to the grill. And then I better get in the house and make the macaroni salad, so it'll be nice and cold for tonight. Oh, and my son wanted me to tell you that me and him are writing a little book called Great American Sides, I think. And it's just going to be full of little bits and pieces, and, you know, how to do this, how to do that, sides that maybe you've never heard of, you know, because when I was growing up, macaroni was a side. You know, it was a side because you had your macaroni, your hamburger, and a veggie, you know. But then when I found out people ate it just macaroni, I thought, what are you doing? So, you know, different cultures, blah, blah, blah. So we thought that'd be fun. And then when we do finally get it written, we're going to put it on Amazon so everyone can buy it. And it won't be expensive, you know. We're not trying to get rich off of it, but people, I think, are going to be needing to know certain things. So, what do you want in, honey? He said, I've had enough of this outdoor shit. Okay, I'm an indoor dog. I'm a lap dog. Okay, take it easy. Take the long way home. Hey guys, it's me. Just wanted to let you know I got the macaroni salad made, and the grill was clean, and the hamburgers and hot dogs and sausages came out pretty good. And yeah, it was a good meal. We had a good time. Yeah, I did the whole cut the onions and lettuce and tomatoes, and we had cheese, and it was good. It was good. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that yeah, we got everything done today. Woo woo. Tomorrow, guess what I get to do? I asked if I could do it too. Cleaning the refrigerator out. Yeah. Can't hardly wait. I'm serious. Really, I'm serious. Because I can't fit anything in there. So I know there's stuff in there that's probably, you know, don't need to be in there anymore. So, anywho, that's it for today, guys. Take it easy. Take the long way home. Woo-hoo.